How's it going, guys? It's Chris here with Street Geeks, and today we'll be unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini drone. And this drone is really, it's a scaled down version of the big boy. I saw very good reviews on it, and I plan to use it for my real estate business, which I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about. You know, I will be adding some of that stuff to my channel because I realize a lot of you guys may be interested. So let's take a look at the box. It's the back of the box, and it comes with a controller. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, it doesn't look like there's too much in the box, so let's just take a look. This is your controller here. Nice feel to it. You got your buttons and things like that to control it. I still have to learn how to use this thing. But that's the controller. Let's see what we have here. Blades. These are extra blades. And you have your literature here. All that fun stuff. All right, and here you have it, the drone itself. It's not very big, you know what I mean? It fits in the palm of my hand pretty much. I have big hands, but not that big. So that's the unboxing, guys. There's really not too much to it. What I will do, like I said, I'm gonna take some video, and you guys can check out, you know, what it looks like, and I'll give you my review on how it handles and everything like that. So stay tuned. So my overall review of the DJI Mavic Mini is a positive one. I give it a big thumbs up. It's great for starters. So if you're looking to get your first drone and you want to get your feet wet, this is a great one at a great price point. There is a learning curve. You will need to learn how to maneuver it and things like that. But with it being so easy to learn, I think you'll be just fine. Easy to use, great video quality, and it gets the job done. So I would recommend it. It gets a big thumbs up from me. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Also support the movement. Grab yourself a Street Geek shirt. Link in the bio. I appreciate it.